Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a 12-speed cassette for your mountain bike, check out this one from SRAM. We have been really impressed with all of the SRAM products that we've tried, and this one is no different. Since this is a major part of the drivetrain that's moving you forward, it's really important to get a quality product. This 12-speed mountain bike cassette is solidly built and it delivers super smooth gear changes. We have this paired with an SRAM derailleur and really appreciate the fast and precise gear shifting, even up hills, and there's actually not a lot of noise or that clunking that you sometimes feel when changing gears. And because this is a trail riding bike, we really needed something that can take a beating and deal with gravel, rocks, mud, dirt, all of that. And this is held up really well with the aluminum build, and that also makes it lightweight. So we've just been really pleased with this product overall. So this is a super quality piece of hardware for your mountain bike that you're gonna love, and that's my point of view.